So the market update is, the market closed down. The S&P closed down 1.2%. Is quite a big percentage on a percentage basis, but again, we're still near kind of post-COVID highs. So again, like I wouldn't take it, too drastic of a move. European equities were pretty much flat. Asia closed mixed. I think the momentum was a little bit pared back because initial jobless claims actually came up higher for the first time in 16 weeks since March. But I think the economists think that there's some seasonality to those numbers, because if you look at continuing jobless claims, they actually look pretty better. They look better, and they fell from 17.3 million continuing jobless claims the week before to 16.2 million jobless claims. And California and Florida both reported declines of continuing jobless claims of more than 200,000. So cool. So again, welcome back. It's been welcome. It's July 23rd, 2020. Just announced our $1,000 raffle, and to enter, just join our free newsletter and just read it or scroll to the bottom every time. And over the next couple weeks, starting Monday, there'll be an entry link, and it'll be a quick little entry question. It'll be super easy to just find that in the email. So it'll be really fun, really cool. Cool. So welcome back. Let's take some questions. I'm just gonna make this a little bit more free flowing, a little bit more casual today. I got my nifty little White Claw here. Like last live on Monday, I still have hedge fund Henry in the house. He's sitting right here on the couch over there in my basement. So we have a real hedge fund senior person here. No names. I can't really have his voice on, but I'm happy to bump any questions to him when need be. So
you're not gonna bump questions to me.
Well, I mean, you can answer whatever you want, Nia.
No, it's fine. I mean, it's free flow today.
Free flow.
We're cool today.
Yeah, we
so
are.
Maybe. Who knows?
What do you think? Have you been to Topgolf yet? People keep asking about this Topgolf potential SPAC.
Been to Topgolf, but not in Nashville. But I'm definitely willing to go ASAP because it's open.
Is it open?
Yeah.
Can we socially distance at Topgolf?
I think we can. Just it's golf. We can social distance.
I mean, I'm going to be going golfing on Saturday.
I do have a membership to Topgolf. I'm just saying.
You have a membership?
I do.
Oh,
that's how legit I am.
You must be pretty legit.
I'm
legit.
so bad at golf that I'm good at Topgolf.
I'll have to see for myself.
Yeah, fair enough.
It's been a while. I don't think we've ever Topgolf together.
I don't think so either.
Pershing Square acquisition. Yeah, like Bill Ackman's a really smart guy. I believe I read a headline that he has 150 companies in the universe that he wants to go acquire. Again, these SPACs are really, really interesting and hot right now. I think Ackman is a financial engineer. He really knows what he's doing. And I think if anybody's going to make a good acquisition, it's going to be him. Although the SPAC vehicle type isn't my favorite, and I'm probably going to do a video series on, that we should all be careful about SPACs, and they've historically not been a great vehicle for the retail investor. But neither here nor there. I will get to that at some point. So